Fans, blowers, and compressors all move air, but they aren't the same. What makes them different, and where do we use each one? In this video, let's break down the working differences, applications, pros and cons of fans, blowers, and compressors. 1. What do they have in common? All three are turbo machines that impart energy to a fluid, usually air or gas. The key difference? The pressure rise they create and the applications they serve. 2. Definitions and basics. Fan produces a low-pressure rise, del-P 1.1 ratio, 10-1-1136 PA. Moves large volumes of air at low pressure. Examples, ceiling fan, cooling fans in laptops. Blower produces moderate pressure rise, 1.1 del-P 1.2 ratio. Moves air at higher pressure than fans but lower than compressors. Examples, air blowers in HVAC ducts, pneumatic conveying. Compressor produces high pressure rise, delta-P 1.2 ratio. Compresses gas to much higher pressure for storage or transport. Examples, gas compressor in oil refineries, refrigeration compressor. NAR 3. Comparison table. Parameter, fan, blower, compressor. Compresses gas compressor and refrigeration compressor. Pressure ratio up to 1.1, 1.1 to 1.2, 1.2. Flow rate, high volume, low pressure. Medium volume, medium P, low volume, high pressure, low, medium, high. Applications, ventilation, cooling, HVAC, furnaces, pneumatic transport, gas pipelines, refrigeration, process industry. FAR 4 applications, real world. Fans, household cooling, computers, car radiators, ventilation. Blowers, furnaces, vacuum cleaners, pneumatic conveying, boilers. Compressors, gas pipelines, refineries, refrigeration, jet engines. 5. Latest trends 2024 to 25. High efficiency fans and blowers for HVAC energy savings. Oil-free compressors for food, pharma, and clean industries. Magnetic bearing compressors for high speed and low friction. Smart turbo machinery with IoT-based vibration and pressure monitoring. 6. Advantages and limitations. Fans, cheap, reliable, limited pressure capability. Blowers, moderate pressure with compact design. Less efficient than fans. Compressors, high pressure for industrial use, expensive, high maintenance, energy intensive. NASHR 7, mini quiz. Which machine would you use for supplying air to a gas turbine? Fan, blower, or compressor? Comment your answer below. Top 5 interview questions and answers. 1. What is the difference between a fan and a blower? Fan, low pressure ratio, plus a 1.1, high volume flow. Blower, moderate pressure ratio, 1.1 to 1.2, medium volume flow. 2. Why are compressors used instead of blowers in gas pipelines? Compressors achieve much higher pressure ratios needed to transport gas long distances. Blowers cannot achieve such high pressures. 3. Explain the efficiency differences between fans, blowers, and compressors. Fans, high efficiency at low pressure. Blowers, moderate efficiency. Compressors, lower efficiency due to compression losses but necessary for high pressure applications. 4. What are the types of compressors? Positive displacement, reciprocating, screw, scroll. Dynamic, centrifugal, axial. 5. What is the role of NPSH in compressors versus blowers? Compressors, gas phase, NPSH not applicable. Blowers, fans, air machines, suction head less critical, but inlet conditions affect performance. And that's the clear difference between fans, blowers, and compressors. Small differences in pressure make a big difference in application. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more engineering breakdowns.